Hello, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Does Walmart install car batteries for free? Contemporarily, you should be aware that car batteries are inopportunely infamous for failing. Eventually, you end up with a dead battery. You probably know how frustrating and annoying the situation can be. Perchance, if you are searching for a place you would buy car batteries, and install them as well for no cost or little cost, then Walmart is a guarantee and a place you should do just that. But before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Will Walmart install car battery? Contemporarily, yes, Walmart does install car batteries. The vehicle battery installation is readily available at Walmart stores with an automotive service section, which is common in most Walmart supercenters. However, the installation of vehicle batteries occurs in two forms. First, the installation of Walmart purchased battery, and perchance this service is free of charge. Secondly, installation of a battery bought in any other store, though you would be charged about $10 for the service. So far, I recommend installing your batteries in Walmart automotive stores around the town. Does Walmart charge car batteries for free? Yes, Walmart charges car battery for free. As regards the Auto Care Center of Walmart is in control of this activity. Hence, Walmart charges car batteries for free if the batteries are purchased in-store. Conversely, if purchased from any auto store, you would pay a fee of about $5 to $10 for the services rendered. Does Walmart test car batteries for free? The simple answer is yes, Walmart tests car batteries for free. Even so, it is paramount to note that only some Walmart stores have automotive service centers. Walmart supercenters can test your vehicle battery for free, especially if you have a battery from any Walmart store. This process might take 20 to 24 minutes of your time, depending on how busy the technicians are in the automotive centers, or you could do it yourself if you are knowledgeable in dealing with that. Will Walmart replace car battery without receipt? Yes, Walmart can replace your car battery without the receipt, but you must go to them prepared. Without the receipt of purchase, you would have to provide a valid, governmental-issued identity card to enable them to track any other no-receipt returns you or anyone may request in the future for the same battery. Additionally, it is vital to know that Walmart does accept your returns without a receipt. Although, the store manager reserves the right to deny any exchange or returns at any time. Perchance, you have no guarantee of a refund of payment. Condition of replacement or return. The return and replacement of your car battery to Walmart are always within 90 days or 3 months after purchase if it is faulty, unused, or doesn't fit into your vehicle. How long is the car battery warranty at Walmart? The category of warranty you would get from Walmart depends solely on the type or class of battery you purchase, since the warranty cost is in the price. Although the classier a battery is, the improved the warranty. So far, I will help you by exploring the different types of Walmart battery and their warranty period. Here are the batteries and their warranty durations. 1. Ever-Start Value. 1 year warranty covers manufacturer's defects and damages that might occur out of your control. 2. Ever-Start Plus. 2 years of replacement if the battery becomes defective at no fault of you, the shopper, or the battery wouldn't hold any charge within this period. 3. Ever-Start Max. Free replacement within 3 years if it becomes defective at no fault of you, the shopper, or the battery no longer holds a charge. Although, after 3 years of warranty, you might also be eligible for a prorated warranty. Nevertheless, it is essential to inquire and have good ideas on the detailed warranty if you intend to get a battery from any auto store. Is Walmart car battery good? Of course, the Walmart battery, Ever-Start, is good, affordable, and reliable. As a certified mechanic, all the batteries I purchased at Walmart have lasted beyond their warranty period. Although, you might ask if Walmart batteries can fail before the warranty expires. Interestingly, if that happens, absolutely you are covered by the warranty. You would stop by any Walmart store to acquire or get a free replacement. In my research, I also found that Walmart batteries are good, if not better, than some batteries like Duralast and DieHard batteries sold in AutoZone and Advance Auto Parts, respectively. In conclusion, Walmart is one of the best places to get a new brand vehicle battery at a cheaper rate. Indeed, the quality and long-lasting ability of Walmart batteries are indispensably evident in today's automobile world. Johnson Controls made Varta batteries and Ever-Start batteries sold by Walmart. Similarly, Walmart offers a flexible 90 days return policy compared to other auto parts suppliers. Their battery has a warranty period of 1 to 3 years, depending on the type or model you intend to purchase. Regardless of your choice of battery due to economic restraints, you would have a 1-year warranty for any defectiveness or fault arising from your purchase. Notwithstanding, I recommend you buy, install, test, and charge your batteries at Walmart Automotive Supercenters to enjoy the service. You would be satisfied using their batteries. This is all we've got in today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.